Hey guy, John Eric here. I just wanted to do a quick demo. I know you said you're interested in getting a custom made $50,000 brick. So I'm going to show you the difference in the two $50,000 ones we make. So they both hold $50,000, exactly the same. This is somebody else's, this is one of my customers. This is what we would consider the small or baby or standard size 50K brick. Of course, this one's polished with polished bolts. This one includes a polished tool to take these out. Now, if somebody gets a hold of this, they will be able to steal all your stuff. So whoever you give this to, make sure they know that they need to hide it in someplace good, or if they're really secure at their home, then they can just leave it wherever they need to leave it. So I'm going to show you how these two work. This one is same capacity, but it's a lot heavier. So let me just give you an example before I put the cash in it. The baby one is quite a bit lighter. I won't say less substantial because they're both very cool. Here is the scale right here. Actually, the scale is under here, but I don't like to scratch stuff. So with hardware, this one weighs 7.8 pounds. I'm sure you can see it right there. So 7 pounds, 8 ounces, 7.5 pounds. This larger one, I'm gonna just drop the hardware. I'm not gonna screw it all in, but this hardware is very substantial, so it does change the weight a little bit. So I'm gonna put the bolts in real quick. I'm not gonna tighten them down just yet. So this one weighs in at a whopping 16 pounds, 11 ounces. So this one's significantly heavier. I'll show you the inside in a second. Let me just snug these down a little bit. This is for a company, we do a lot of stuff for them, the Tryon company. It's actually the new supercar. So this one's mirror polished on all 6 sides. The side, the back, the other side, and of course, both ends as well. So this one's significantly heavier. I'm going to show you how this works now. This one comes with a very, very cool tool. We make this tool just for the 3/4 inch bolts. And I'm going to say one more time that if somebody gets a hold of this, whether they have this tool or not, they'll figure out a way to get in it. So don't let somebody steal your stuff, please. So this is take 11. So this one comes with a very nice tool we make. And I can put your family crest or whatever you want anywhere on the tool. We don't have to have this pattern. We do this because this doesn't show fingerprints nearly as bad as mirror finished. I love the mirror finished, and I will always do mirror finished. But this pattern really helps it not be so noticeable when there's fingerprints on it. So let me set this stuff aside. I'll show you the inside of this beautiful box. So here's the lid with a bunch of fingerprints. Now I'm kind of embarrassed, but I'm not going to reshoot the video. So this one can have, this has got a lot of space here. This would last in a fire a long, long time just based on how thick this aluminum is. This is, I think, 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches thick. This holds 50,000. This has a finger slot. I'll show you what that's for in a second. That's a very cool idea. So I brought $50,000 in funny money. So this is fake money, but it's the same size as real money. So we'll put 20, $50,000. Fits no problem. Actually, real money would probably stick up a little bit because it's always going to be wrinkled and whatnot. This finger slot makes it easy to get money out of it. These, well, all my new ones come with finger slots. My first generations did not have that. So basically you just drop the lid on, and of course this little curve here fits down inside this curve here. Just set it on gently. you have a very nice box of $50,000 in cash. Gorgeous. Lid by itself weighs 4 pounds 11 ounces. $50,000 cash. So it's just like that. And that's it. If somebody besides Guy is watching this, please subscribe. We're making new designs every week. We've got some very cool stuff coming out. Please leave a comment. And for the haters, I will tell you this. Please don't hate on my videos. I'm not pretending that if somebody steals this, they can't get your money. Of course they can get your money. These were originally designed to be hidden in interior walls of homes. So don't think if you leave this out, somebody can't just walk away with it. Even if they don't have the tool for it, they'll find a way to get in. So don't be an idiot. Don't leave your money someplace where somebody can steal your stuff. See ya.